Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beautiful Yaz. So for today's video we have a special guest. We have the Note 9. Yes, it's finally here. I will be doing an unboxing video, so to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post new videos. So yes, we have the Note here, and the color that I got is the purple. I think there's only two options, either purple or blue, and I love this purple. It's like a lavender color. If I could get it open, I will show you guys. It's such a tight fit, gosh, but okay. So there you go. This is what it's like. Here is the phone. Look at how prettiful she is. Let me show you her. This is the beautiful back. It's like a lavender purple. Look how pretty. So yeah, take that out, and you have the charger, the USB connector, and then the rest of the charger. The plastic earplugs, and this little pincher, which is for what? Is this for like removing a SIM card or something? Yeah, the little sticks are in there and whatnot. And then here are the headphones. Okay, they say AKG. Okay, whatever that stands for. And wow, they look nice. Ooh, let me open these bad boys. Okay, so this is what the headphones look like. These look really nice. I wonder how they fit. Wow, they look real different compared to like other types of headphones. But I hope they're comfortable. Does it say left or right? No. Okay, yep, they're comfortable. They are. Okay, alright, so moving along. What else is there? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna be using those, so let me just put that back. So back to this beauty. Look at how pretty. So you just slide, or you could just firmly press this button to wake it up, and then slide to unlock it. And then you swipe up to go to your menu of that'll show you all of your applications. And yeah, so I transitioned from an iPhone 7 Plus to this Note 9, and I absolutely love this Note. And I am no longer team iPhone. Like, I have been waiting for this day. I've been waiting for this phone to come out because I had the Note 7, I believe, the one that was we're not gonna talk about that, but even when it was doing that, like, I didn't even want to give this phone up because it's just wonderful. It's just beautiful. It's wonderful. It does everything, and it has a stylus. Like, what? Come on. Wait, I don't even know how to. Okay, it has like a little button here. I'm gonna press that button, and then I'm gonna press start. Wait, bear with me because I don't even know how to use this with the button. Oh, okay, there's like a little pin icon right there, and then you could click screen right. Oh wow, you could just straight up right on the home screen. Hi. This is so cool. I love this. This is one of the main reasons why I love this phone, because it has a stylus and you could like easily take notes. Like, you could literally just pop it out and start taking notes. You can draw. Oh wow. I think you, Wow, see, you can even select text with this pen. Like, that's pretty legit. Okay. Oh my God, wow, you can draw something and actually record it. Okay. No way, you can color on this. Do you guys see this? No way. Look, I'm actually coloring like a cat. I'm coloring a cat on my phone. Like, this is pretty legit. Looks like, okay, so that's that. Let me see what happens. Let me try it all over again. I'm gonna put the phone to sleep. This is the button to put the phone to sleep. This is the volume up, volume down, and then this is the Bixby button. So look, if I press that button, it'll go to Bixby Voice. And I haven't set that up yet, but you can press that button and say, hey Bixby, such and such such, do this, do that. Like change this setting or call mom, call dad, or whatever. But yeah, you could basically talk to it. So this again with the S Pen. So I take it right out. Ah, see? Now it says write memo on screen. So say if I'm just walking by and I see a telephone number that I need to take down real quick, I'll just pop my stylus out and I will write that number, 310-555 something 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 something. See, and I could just do it right there, and then I could screenshot it, or I mean I could save it to my notes. Oop, and it's saved. And let me show you the case that I got. This is so cool. This is the it's called Scooch. That's the brand of the case. And check this out, look. Oh wait, let me put it in first, so you guys can get a better idea of how it works. So you just press right here and this pops up like that, and you can use it as a kickstand. Isn't that legit? Super legit. So I had to get this case. It's clear, it shows the color, so that's perfect. And yeah, I just love it. And then I also got this liquid glass screen protector, and it's pretty amazing. But so yeah, like I just got that on there. And then what's amazing about this case is that it comes with its own warranty. Like it will replace, like if the screen still cracks with the screen protector on it, it will replace $200 of whatever it costs to fix the screen. So that's another thing that's legit. So let me show you guys the camera really quick. How could I forget about that? So we all know that this is the best camera that you can have on a phone. I'm gonna take a picture right here and show you guys. Look at how clear it looks, bruh. Awesome sauce. They have selfie mode, selfie focus. What? I'm gonna try selfie focus. Hold your phone at arm's length for the best blur effect. Get out of here. Oh my God. You guys, I'm not even joking. Wow. Okay. Let me take my camera off my iPad, my tripod, so that y'all can see this, because this is crazy. Y'all gotta see this. So, all right, you guys. So this is what the camera looks like, and it's not even doing it just. Oh my! I could not get over this. Oh my gosh! I'm not even sure if you guys can like tell. Tell like the difference, because it's like blurring the background. This is unbelievable how clear this is. OMG. Can you guys tell? Look, let's see. It's like blurring the background. Excuse my background, by the way, but I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but this is amazing. Oh my gosh. You guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, would I recommend this phone? Heck yes, I would. And 10, it would be a freaking 10. This phone, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 10 for sure. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how bomb this camera is. Selfie focus. This is super legit. Oh my gosh. Oh, why did it just turn off? Okay, because I was screaming. What? So it has selfie focus, selfie, wide selfie. Wow. AR emoji. Try making emojis of yourself. Get out of here. You can make your own emojis, bro. Create my emoji. Let me see. Let me try to create one. Allow emojis to access photos. Okay. For best results, remove glasses and clear away hair. Yeah, because my hair is a little frizzy right now. Because I was laying on it. Excuse the hair. Then smile with your lips closed and give it a whirl. Give it a whirl. What does that mean? Okay. So I did that. So now what? It looks like a little square. Okay, woman. Okay, next. Creating my emoji. Once that's done, you acknowledge. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Wow, this is so awesome. Look at me. This is so cool. Bruh, I'm sold. I am sold on this phone. I cannot wait to share this with my sisters and tell them that they can make their own emoji. Look, it has my mole and everything, you guys. That is crazy. Oh my God. It is lit. It is lit. I love it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna just end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and get you a Note 9. Okay? I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm just shook by this. See you in the next video.